Hi there everybody, Bald and Curious here. I have another one out of the box, into the range, CZ. What's in the box? What's in the box? CZ P10C FDE. Been waiting for this one for a while. Paper finally showed up. But without further ado, I'm gonna switch my hat, even though I like my hat. But I want to give you guys a point of view. And let's fire some rounds. I got some variety of ammo. I got my reloads. I got a cheap Federal Walmart special. We're gonna start with that. I got a 124 grade Remington, and I got some NATO spec 124 grain and my reload. So let's see what can we do. This is very first shot. I literally just picked it up about an hour and a half ago. No issues. The magazine release is a little stiff, but oh, these are 124 grain Remington. One thing I have to say, this is very accurate gun. I really like that little orange in the front sight. This has not a night sights. These are those not really like glow in the dark, not exactly night sights, but they're supposed to pick up a light and then they glow in the dark. But alright, let me see my reloads. Snappy little fella. Okay, the first initial impressions. Really aggressive checkering, and yeah, they were right. It digs into your hand, but I like it. I like it because holy crap, you could be bleeding and you're not gonna have an issue with this gun slipping. So really like the checkering. The mag release, hopefully that will get better. It's a little stiff. And slide release. Okay, so slide release this is really most of. I'm guessing this is not a slide release, but a slide catch, because it's really hard to do it. Let me load more, a couple more magazines. Okay, we have a 124 grain NATO. Definitely snappier ammo, especially in this little gun. Now these are my standard 135 grain bullets. I casted. Okay, I hope you can see that. That's a little 4-inch steel, and I'm gonna say what, about 12-15 yards away. So like I said, this is really accurate gun. So far I'm really liking it. This is just a quick and dirty. So we fired 50 rounds. Those are very first rounds. I took it out of the box, no cleaning, no lubing, However, whatever they did in the factory, that was it. I'm not saying that that's the way it should be. Generally, you want to clean the gun when you bring it home, but I'm an impatient man. And usually the gun gets a big plus in my book if it works like this out of the book. I'm not saying that if it doesn't, it's a bad gun. You know, a lot of guns just need to be lubed differently. Sometimes they have, you know, factory grease, whatever, that doesn't really work. It's more of a packing grease, but it's definitely a big plus if the gun works 100% out of the box. Now the trigger on it, it's nice and crisp, really nice reset. Let me show you. Reset. Trigger's gonna be, I'm gonna say about 4.5 pound range. Doesn't, feels lighter than the 5 pound trigger, but reset's really nice on it. So I'm really happy with it so far. There you have it, the very first shots. As always, have fun, keep shooting.